This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to connect your PSP to Wi-Fi. First, power on your PSP and navigate to the XMB menu. Look for the Settings icon, which usually resembles a toolbox. Once you've found it, select Network Settings. This is where we'll start configuring your internet connection. It's a straightforward process, so let's get started. Next, within Network Settings, choose Infrastructure Mode for standard Wi-Fi connections. Then, select New Connection to set up a fresh profile. The PSP will now scan for available wireless networks in your vicinity. Once the scan is complete, a list of networks will appear. Find and select your desired home or public Wi-Fi network from this list. Now, it's time to enter your network's security information. The PSP supports various security types like WPA-PSK and WEP. Select the one your network uses. Carefully enter your Wi-Fi password or security key. Double-check for any typos, as even a single incorrect character will prevent connection. After entering, confirm the password and save your new network settings. Finally, let's test your new connection. From the list of network profiles, select the one you just created. The PSP will then attempt to connect and perform a connection test. You should see a Connection Successful message if everything is configured correctly. If it fails, don't worry. Simply go back and review the previous steps, paying close attention to your password and security type.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.